2023 Ford F350 factory upfitter switch wire location. Yes, the switch is on the ceiling. None of mine are powered up. I've got the batteries disconnected. I have the batteries disconnected because we're putting in an SMB today. I have the factory air box removed. I also decided to pull the battery and battery tray, trying to find what I'm looking for. You do not need to pull the battery. This is the box that you're looking for. To remove the box, depress this tab while lifting, then depress the other tab while lifting. You'll get it to come loose and out. Underneath, you'll find these factory wires completely taped up with this kind of tape. Remove the tape. You will find them all labeled, PTO and all.